Here's how to use Krea AI motion transfer to animate a character or image by transferring your movements from a live webcam feed in just 2 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to turn a still character into an animated one using your webcam. First, sign into your Krea AI account and open the motion transfer workspace. This is where you'll upload the character you want to animate and choose the source of the movement. Once you're inside, you'll see options to upload an image and select a motion source. Upload your character image so it appears in the preview area ready for animation. Next, choose webcam as the motion source. A browser permission request will appear asking to access your camera. Click allow and you'll see a live webcam preview showing your face and upper body. Position yourself in front of the camera with good lighting and keep your face centered so the tracking works accurately. Then begin moving naturally. Smile, turn your head, or make simple gestures while watching the preview. Your uploaded character will mirror your facial expressions and body movements in real time or during the preview, depending on the selected model. After that, review any available generation settings if you want to change the output. Once everything looks right, click Generate. You'll see a processing indicator while Krea creates the animation, followed by a preview of the finished motion transfer video. Now, preview the animation to make sure it matches the movement you wanted. If you're happy with the result, download the completed video to your computer for sharing or additional editing. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open motion transfer, upload your character image, then upload a pre-recorded motion video instead of using your webcam. Review the motion preview, generate the animation, and download the finished result. If your webcam doesn't appear, allow camera permission in your browser and refresh the motion transfer page before trying again. Once everything is set, your uploaded character will be animated using your webcam movements, and the finished motion transfer video will be ready to preview and download. Following these simple steps makes using Krea AI motion transfer quick and easy.